Hello friends, welcome you all to my Ojas lifestyle. Today it's the last chakra, the crown chakra.
Last and important.
Yeah, very much. Crown chakra. Crown chakra in Sanskrit we say it is a Sahasrahara chakra. That is means 1,000 petals. It is with 1,000 petals. Here it is the picture of Sahasrara chakra. It is in a round shape in our skull, and it is connected with full body. This is the prime 7th chakra of our body, and this chakra, crown chakra, has nothing to do much with the food items, but then also there are certain things which can relate it to it. Crown chakra is basically related with the spiritual level. When you must have seen our gurus, Sai Baba, Buddha Bhagavan, he was also enlightened with near that Bodhisattva, that our Dr. Ambedkar ji, Swami Vivekanand ji, Dr. Radhakrishnan and Ramakrishna also. So all these are deities, and they have done so much work. They have loved themselves also, they have loved everybody. This is a spiritual level where they have gone, means to love entire society, entire world, entire universe. So this crown chakra is related only with the spiritual and the sky level. So what happens when the chakra, this chakra is not balanced, when this chakra is overactive, when this chakra is underactive or it is blocked. So there are certain things which we cannot get in our reports also. This is that when there is a deficiency in our crown chakra, then we get a depression, mental fog, chronic fatigue. Sometimes we get, but we are eating so much, then also I am tired. Why? But this may be related to your crown chakra. Migraine, headaches, because migraine is not cured with the medicine also. It is called like an autoimmune disease type. But if we take care of our chakras, then only we can get rid of this migraine. Greed and materialism. Because what happens, it is related with our mind. So sometimes when the person is greedy, you cannot know. That greediness comes from within. And materialistic. People like, they are very much materialistic in this life. Then when the crown chakra is unbalanced, what happens? Learning disability. Then people go, when it is too much, we say that there a person is in coma. Why? Coma is what? Too much of activity in the body, too much of acidic level, too much of toxins in the body, when body cannot cope up. And it wants to regenerate, it wants to again come back to normal lifestyle, then it goes into sometimes in coma. So sleep disorder, like रात को कभी नींद नहीं आती है, दिन में भी नहीं आती है, and you don't feel better. Mental illness, always in a I am weak, I'm feeling fever, I am feeling this, I am feeling that. That is always related with myself and my body. And there are certain diseases which are like nearly connected with our third eye chakra also, but it is also related with the crown chakra. That is Parkinson, epilepsy, confusion, dizziness, dementia, Alzheimer and schizophrenia. All these also are connected with your third eye chakra and also with your crown chakra. And excess energy, when there is an excess energy in your body, what happens? You become egoistic. Because when you are not connected with your spirit, when you are not connected with your Atma, then it goes to egoistic. You become very egoistic and your all energy is completely becomes negative. Sensitivity to sound and light. When too much of ego, when too much of this excess energy comes, now you becomes completely devoid of sensitivity or sound or light. आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती. Then neurological and endocrine disorder also comes. Frustration also comes, and unearned accomplishment, that is कुछ कमा नहीं सकते, क्योंकि when person is not that much related with the spirit and he is just talking about spiritual level and this level and that level, and he is not into business also, he is not into earning also, so that frustration also comes inside. So these are the things when the crown chakra, seventh chakra, your this third chakra is not in balance, imbalance, blocked, and all these things happens. We don't know, but when there are certain things which helps. That is, one is your it's not going down. The healing, for the healing, we can use the crystals also, and these crystals are also like amethyst, this white quartz, clear quartz, and carolite. So when you hold it in your hand, you meditate, it helps you. You just dip it in the water, keep it for a few hours, and drink that water as a medicine. It will also help you. So these are the crystal healing. Then other healing is like meditation, your silence. When you go, means if you want to grow yourself with mind, because this is not connected with any other element except your inner element. Means your Atma, it is connected with Atma only. So you have to go to, means when you want to go to a higher level, then you have to have a silence. Without silence, you cannot concentrate on your meditation level. And music, very soft music, like subtle music, waterfall ka music, sea ka music, breezing music, like that, it helps. Just you remember, ना, आप थोड़ा भी सोचेंगे तो आपको भी पता चल जाएगा कि दरिया के मौजे की कितनी अच्छी वो म्यूजिकल टोन होता है, फिर ब्रीजिंग का कितना अच्छा टोन होता है, when there is a wind also उसका some other music होता है, and when you sit there you feel like something is happening to your body and something बहुत अच्छी तरह से कुछ आपको feel महसूस हो रहा होता है. Then sound is also like that. Sometimes you like sound also, some drum का sound है, music का sound है, like that. Then slow music of nature. And yoga, and yoga asanas are like that. You have to do yoga asanas not in that speedy movement, but very slow, counting 1 to 10, 1 to 20, and with the looking at your breath, concentrating on your breath level, and slowly and steadily, if you breathe, sustain and release, then only you can help yourself. And that meditation is with Anulom Vilom, anything you can do it, your meditative level, you can just sit and breathe and do. So these are the techniques for the brain power. Other that one planet is there, that is Uranus, it is connected. That Graha, what we say, Surya, Chandra and all, that Graha is main is, Uranus is connected with your crown chakra. The element, there is no element at all, but the element is there, like it is an element of sun and element of thoughts. When thought process is controlled, because in this crown, to enhance your crown chakra, to relate it with your spiritual level, to increase your power of spirit, then you have to concentrate on your thought. Your negative thoughts are out. You are positive. You are thinking positive. Either sometimes when you do some Bhastrika pranayam, right? At that time, what happens when you do for 50 or 100, your mind becomes completely empty at that time. So at that time, when you pour something good in your mind, that is called that thoughts are good when positivity is increasing in your body, and with the help of sun rays. Sun rays are what? In the sun, there are 7 colors, right? So that white color is concentrated on the body, on your crown chakra. You visualize that the sun white rays are entering my crown chakra and covering my whole body. With that help of that, my all the organs, my body parts, veins, my all the systems, circulatory system, digestive system, all the systems are covered with the white light, and they are getting enhanced, they are getting better, they are getting pure, they are getting good. So when this thing happens, this is the nurture of giving new type of nutrition to the body. Again, when there is the power of this crown chakra is increasing when there is a lot of confidence in yourself, and there is a means you want to disconnect yourself with the society, and also you want to stay in the society, a kind of what you say is a kind of awareness in the in yourself. And there are two colors. This crown chakra is connected with two colors, that is white and purple. White is what? It is a peace, it is purity, and it is lovable, right? And purple is brightness, awareness, happiness, creativity, and energy giving. So all these things, when you covered with yourself, and it helps to bring, give you good in your body. The food part. The food part is what we cure from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. When you combine all these colors, you balance all your six chakras, then only your crown chakra is going to balance. Without that, you cannot concentrate on your crown chakra, because all other chakras are not properly balanced. So whenever your crown root chakra is balanced, slowly and so what happens, your stability, your financial condition, your relationship, everything is into balance. Your legs from below, they are also getting nutrition. You are completely out of that. Nowadays what happens, people are having cancer problems, they are having prostate gland problems, you ladies are having uterus problem and all. That are all also resolved with when you balance your root chakra, when you balance your hara chakra, when you balance your suli chakra, solar plexus. When you balance, these three colors are balancing of with the food and all. And the other upper part is, that is from heart chakra, throat chakra, crown, agya chakra and crown chakra are related with your spiritual level. It is related with your heart level, it is related with your love level. Thymus is also a kind of love. When you love your body, when you love others, first of all you have to love yourself. Because we love others, we do everything for others, right? You have ever seen mothers doing everything for family members, but she doesn't do for herself. So many diseases nowadays you see that ladies are having, and there are certain enzymes which secretes which you don't get if you have lots of money like Ambani, but you are not having happiness, right? What happiness is needed is you don't have. So then there are this endorphin, dopamine, and oxytocins are not released. When they are not released from the brain, then how you are getting better? Then how you are getting your happiness? You don't get your hug. You don't. Sometimes, so many times we see that there is no life in your life, but there is a life. Means people are rushing through full day, but they don't have that time for their own. But when you get time for yourself, this is crown chakra is related to with your own Atma, and you have to look for yourself from inside within. So we have a crown chakra mantras are what? I am, I trust, I am at ease, I am at peace, I am enlightened, I know, I am connected, I understand, I am light, and divine. The crown chakra is our connection to divine source of energy. So when this thing comes in your mind, when these are the things which is connected with you, then only your crown chakra is enhanced, right? And the nutrition for the crown chakra is, the food is not the criteria, but the nutrition is, see, meditation, prayer, you go in any other aloof places like that. But the food is what? The violet color and white color. And less of food, not much. Nowadays we are in the habit of having every 2 hours some popping in our body. So this too much of popping in our body is not related with the crown chakra. It is related that fasting is more important. Intermittent fasting, but real fasting, that is with air fasting. So otherwise you cannot sit and meditate for a longer time, right? Fasting, when you do it, air fasting, either water fasting. Water fasting also will be given only 2 glass or 4 glass when you are tired with your sitting in your Padmasana. So when you sit in Padmasana, you need to have some water. You sit in sun, drinking 2 glasses of water, and after that you sit in a meditation for 4 or 5 hours under a tree, under any places which you are comfortable, then your crown, and concentrate on your crown, then only it enhances and opens up all your 1000 petals. And when the 1000 petals are open, you are like, you have seen Buddha's photo, all nicely discovered, your aura is increasing and everything comes to you. So this chakra is more important, most important in life, because when this from root, actually all the root, chakras are important. Root chakra is for the your family, and this orange chakra is for your organs. All the organs in the body, when they are not in proper manner, then you won't be able to get good result in the body. You are always sick and ill. Your solar plexus, or all your systems are covered in that solar plexus. Your heart chakra, all your ribs and your heart and your everything is connected. Your throat chakra is your speaking level. You cannot speak, you cannot drink, you cannot eat, you cannot do anything with that when the throat chakra is not proper. You are coughing all the time, right? Sometimes your neck is choked, sometimes you feel like pains, cutting, something is cutting in your throat. And your Agya chakra, third eye chakra is there are lots of things which happens in body. Your hair falls, your eyes are weak, you cannot hear properly, your jaw is not working properly, your breathing senses are not there. So you need all the 6 chakras are to be balanced, then only you can go to your crown chakra enhancing. But when your crown chakra is, this is not for all that people who are also they have disconnected their life from the society, but these are from being in a family life also. You can do this with the help of 1 hour, 2 hour giving to your body, and this is in the Brahma Muhurta. When you get up in the morning by 4 or 5 o'clock, then you are getting good result with this crown chakra. So, is there any question about this? The food part, what is it? The white color food is what? And purple color. Purple color is brinjal, grapes. Then purple cabbage, kale, and all these things. When you cut your fruit or vegetables with knife, it turns black. That is also good for your third eye chakra and crown chakra both. And white color food is actually, nowadays milk is not good, but milk, in olden days it was like milk, rice, and all white color fruits and all white color vegetables included. Yeah, at that time it was like that. When you drink milk, you don't need anything.
Yeah, pure milk. Now it is adulterated.
Yeah.
You can take curds.
Yeah, you can take curds, anything, but in the morning you can't have. So in the morning people were having fruits or something like milk, so that they can sustain 2.5 hours and sit in the meditative mode. Right? So this crown chakra is really very wonderful, and it helps to enhance our body. It increases our capacity. It increases the capacity of loving each other. It increases the capacity of hugging. It increases the capacity of understanding the other people, yourself, myself, and other people also. So you spread love, spirituality, enlighten the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good.